say not like, but in a boarding house with one shower, one CR, one comfort room, and how many rooms they have, how many people in boarding house before. That's the only complaint to me. When there's a time I encounter many times, when there's a time that I want to use the toilet and there is someone showering and I kind of like, I want to use the toilet. And I was like sweating because I want the toilet. That's the thing that it's hard when you do a boarding house, because that boarding house I've been before, it's only one toilet, so, and toilet and shower, it's in one room. So people, that's the bad memories I had in the boarding house. But here it's very